Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 9,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.